Hey everyone, it's day 8 of our 24-part series on generating new leads for your law firm online. I cannot believe that we are a third of the way through already, but hopefully you've been finding it helpful and you've got some new ideas that you're putting into place, and you may already be seeing some results from implementing them as well. I certainly hope so. So today we are going to be talking about creating quality content that gets you to the top of the search results. Now this is tied in somewhat to what we talked about yesterday, which was claiming and managing your social media profiles. But the content that we're talking about today is all going to stem from your blog. So let's go ahead and hop over to sharing my screen. There we go. All right, so 75% of searchers do not scroll past page 1 of search results when they're looking for something. So it's really, really important that you work to create fresh content on a regular basis that over time will help get you to the top of search engine results for some of your most important keywords for your firm. Now, creating fresh content is one of the best ways to start to get ranked high for your business keywords. It is a long-term process though, so you're looking at 3 to 6 months of regular blogging and content creation before you're really going to start to get ranked for any keywords. Now, this all also depends too on how competitive your keywords are in your area. An attorney who is trying to get ranked for keywords in Manhattan is going to have a harder time than an attorney where I am, which is Raleigh, North Carolina. So everything is relative, but we do know that Google rewards businesses who create fresh content by starting to rank them higher. So it's really important to do that via a blog. Now here's an example blog post for one of our clients. Now we do a lot of blogging on behalf of our clients so that they don't have to do it, because a lot of times you guys are, you're in and out of court. You are doing your own thing. You're busy running your firm, but it's important to have fresh content created for you, which is why you hire a firm like mine or somebody else to do the blogging for you. But 60% of small law firms have reported landing new clients as a result of their blog. And this does tie into some of what we talked about yesterday about using the social platforms that are available online via social media sites and blogging to educate your audience and to express yourself as an expert. Because when somebody's looking for an attorney, of course they are looking for an expert. They're looking for somebody who's knowledgeable and who proves via what they say online that they understand potential case that somebody has and that they are a true expert. So this is going to be one of the best ways to establish your status as an expert and to help generate new leads from people who are doing research and comparing different firms before they contact somebody. Here are a couple of other examples of blog posts, and I'll link down below in the resources here to an ebook that we put together on 35 blog post titles that work, so that you can get some ideas for different types of titles and the way you'll want to set up your blog post to get engagement. But you always just want to create content that's going to help. You don't want it to be salesy. You want it to help your potential customers. So here's one for a potential Social Security or disability attorney about Social Security benefits. Here's another one, tips on choosing the right divorce attorney. And of course, this content, you want it to syndicate it out to all of your social media sites as well. So here's some other sample posts that were actually pulled from our clients' blogs and posted to their Facebook pages. So here's one in 5 US divorces is at least partially due to Facebook, which is very true. Interesting how that's changed over the years. But here's an infographic that they created. Here's another great one. I think, do you know what the best credit cards are to get after filing bankruptcy? That's something that would be super helpful to somebody going through a bankruptcy as well. And again, all of this content was originally posted on their blog and then streamlined out and sent out to the various social media sites that these attorneys manage as well. And here's some examples of how those similar posts would look on Twitter. So of course, Twitter, we're limited to 140 characters, but you can create a short post and then link back to your blog here as well. So here's one, common questions about DUI charges, how to go through divorce while filing for bankruptcy. But all of this content creation is going to start to get your site ranked better online. And again, it's also going to add value to your potential clients so that they will be more likely to ultimately choose you when they are deciding which firm to go with when they have a case. So I hope that was helpful. If you do have questions on your firm's social media setup, or if you would like a free social media audit for your firm, please reach out to me. My email address is in the comment section below, and I will see everybody tomorrow for day 9. See you soon. Bye.